critical and important to, not only the nucleus and the infrastructure of our families, but are an important part of the dynamics of raising our kids. I think about only my kids and my grandkids, and I think about all of our kids and grandkids. So I'm very honored to host this special tonight and see everyone out here have a good time. That's what it's about, having a great time and remembering all the men in our lives that were there. So, we're good. You. Thank you there, Mike.
We told the dancers out, you best dancers, make sure you dance real hard.
We have 5 judges. They're going to pick 2, and then we'll go into a dance off and pick the 5 from there. So 5 places. We good.
All right. Okay, I understand. Young Spirit, you're going to be doing the songs, both songs. So once again, as you hear, Mike has said there's been 5 judges selected, and each judge will select 2 dancers of his choice, and then we're going to want you to come up here to the front so we know who the final 10 are. And from the final 10, we're going to go to a second song to Young Spirit again, and from that 10, our top 5 will be selected from there. So again, we'll do 4 starts. So as soon as I get the high sign. All right, Tom, we're good to go? All right. Young Spirit. Oh, hey, Chairman Special. Wakaha, wala.
Hey, hey!
All right, let's give them a big round of applause. Ha, ha, ha. Woo! Okay, stay right where you are. Dancers, stay right where you are.
get the
We have
winners?
5 judges out there. If you're tapped on the shoulder, hold up. Okay, hold on. Alan Hardy. In the meantime, dancers, just stay where you are.
Yeah. I feel like that guy over there, see that guy? Right there in the orange? Yeah. What's going on? And so was that guy with the bustle.
Amigo and Sir Alan. All right, okay, that's taken care of. In the meantime, we got 5 judges out there. If you're tapped, we want you to come and form a line in front of the announcer's stand. So we should have 10 in total. Make a line in front of the announcer's stand if you're tapped on the shoulder. Judges, go make your selection. 5 judges, 2 of your choice, and send them up here.
Woodland, grass. Who else?
Come and see Lucas.
Other grass. Tradish.
Young Spirit, we're gonna come back to you again for a second
See, I
song.
know the guy in the orange is gonna get it. I was rooting for him the whole time. Yep.
Okay, we got 4 so
Oh, wow. And then
far.
another Tradish guy.
5.
These are our winners, everybody.
6. Okay, we got 4 more. This will be our top 10 finalists here. 2, 4, 6, 8. We're waiting for 2 more.
Hey, I'm recording.
We should have 10. That's 9, I think. We're waiting for 1 more.
Yay!
1 more.
He always be winning.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give all of our other contestants a big round of applause. Hey, you're all champions.
Okay.